Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire GLASS, part number 316452758. Frigidaire GLASS, part number 316452758 is a replacement part for Frigidaire ovens. It is a glass panel that fits into the door of the oven and helps to keep heat in while cooking. The glass panel is made of tempered glass, which is designed to withstand high temperatures and prevent shattering. The part number indicates that it is compatible with Frigidaire ovens, so it should fit properly when installed. This part can be used to replace a broken or cracked glass panel on an existing oven or as an upgrade for an older model. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement glass shelf for a refrigerator. It would fix the symptom of a broken or cracked glass shelf in the refrigerator. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the appliance from the power source. 2. Remove the screws that hold the existing glass in place. 3. Carefully remove the old glass and set aside. 4. Place the new glass into position and secure with screws. 5. Plug in the appliance and test to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.